What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can tell from the thumbnail, I crashed my new Yamaha R3. How'd that happen? I had too much lean angle turning into one corner, and the rumble strips are raised rumble strips, and it hit my inner peg, causing me to low side. Luckily it wasn't a fast corner. The bike got a couple little scrapes and broken parts, but nothing too bad. I already got everything on order. Should be here within the next week, so hopefully we'll get back on track right away. And yeah, I have a Yamaha R3. You already know I'm a Honda boy, but if you go back to my last video, you'll see that I did some racing on a 300, on a Ninja 300. I had so much fun on that bike, man. The 300s are so fun, light, nimble. You know, they're low horsepower, but I think it's a good learning tool, man, to have those to racing on 300. But yeah, let's see some of the damage that I did at the last track day. Nothing too bad. Just the clip on right here, my bar, my throttle tube, I already got all that in order. Little road rash on the fairing. Fairing held up really good. Armor bodies, I broke my windshield. I already have another one of those coming in. Besides that, everything else held up pretty good. My Hindle exhaust, it's not pretty no more, but that's not bad. That'll buff out. Vortex rear set, already got these on order. But yeah, other than that, that's it. I had this bike for a good I would say 2 months now. Got it brand new, and I'm liking it a lot. Hopefully I'll have it back on track next week if all the parts come in on time. And you guys should be seeing another video, because we're going to be heading to CMP, Carolina Motorsports Park, to get some more seat time and just learn a new track. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm going to put in some clips of the accident. Short clips, 2 clips, one from my helmet mount, which the angle was bad, that's why I'm not posting the whole video of the laps and stuff. And a buddy of mine was recording behind me, so he caught me going down also. Thanks for not running me over. So yeah, check it out.